Okay, good morning, guys and gals. First off, I want to let you know that we are starting chapter 3, which is called Basic Facts and Relationships. Right? On this page, this is page 159 in your math book, it talks about the parrotfish in the coral reef. On the back, 160, okay, there's a couple of new symbols or things I would like you to look at. And here it just says, use the picture, use plus and equal to complete the addition sentence. So here we had 3 apples, 3 red apples, and 1 green apple. So here I put 3 plus 1 equals 4. So if you were wondering what these circles are, that's what it's for. It's not hard, it's just something we haven't seen before. Here we have 2 stars plus 3 stars equals 5 stars. Okay. You can go ahead and finish these easy facts. Then down at the bottom, here we have 3 cubes plus 3 cubes equals 6 cubes. And here we have 3 cubes plus 4 cubes equals 7 cubes. So go ahead and finish that page. You do not need to turn page 160 into me. When you're finished with 160, you can set that aside, and you need to get out page 161. So get out page 161. Okay. And you can make sure that your name is at the top. And we have a Venn diagram here. We've seen these before. Okay. So we're going to sort the review words in the graphic organizer. So here are our review words. So we have to decide where these words would go in the graphic organizer. So I have the word addition. What would I put that in this side? No. I'm going to write addition in this side. And then cross it out because I've used it. And please try to spell them correctly. Here I have subtraction. So I'm going to write subtraction in this side and cross it out. Plus. Well, plus is already written for us in addition. I'm just going to trace over it. Minus. Well, I know that has to do with subtraction. So I'm going to write it in this side. Equals. Well, both an addition and a subtraction equation can have equals, so that is going to go right in the middle. Count on. Well, when I count on, I'm adding more things. So that would be addition. I'm getting bigger and adding more. Count on would go in the addition side. And if I count back, I'm getting smaller. I'm getting rid of some things. So that would go in subtraction. Count back. Go ahead and finish that. If I went too fast for you, hit pause, and we'll continue on. Now I have 2 little posters here, and these have even more addition and subtraction words. So we're going to add some of these. Okay. addition. Whenever I see these words with addition, I know I'm going to be added. So if I see total, I know I'm going to be adding. So we're going to add total to our addition words. If I see the word altogether, I also know I'm going to be adding. So I'm going to write altogether on my Venn diagram. If ever I see the word join, then I know that we are going to be adding. If I see both, I know we're going to be adding. If I see how many in all, okay, the clue words there are in all, right? But if I see how many in all, I know I'm going to be adding. So I'm going to write how many in all. Those are actually the clue words right there. How many in all, that question. Make sure you underline in all. Sum. Whenever I see the word sum spelled like this, S-U-M, like add and sum, I'm going to be adding. Okay. Combined. Combined is a clue word that tells me we're going to be adding. Increase. Increase means to get bigger. So that also means we're going to be adding. You might have to start writing kind of small. Together. And we already have all together, so I don't think we need to write that again. All right. Add. We already have addition, but we can add. That's a small word. And finally, plus. Well, plus is already in here. So go ahead and add the words from our addition poster, our little mini addition poster, to the left side of your Venn diagram for addition. Hit pause if you need more time to do this. Next, we're going to look at subtraction. We have a few subtraction words here, but we have a lot more right here. Okay. The first one, which is huge, is how many more. And it has to be all three of these words together, okay? Because we know that how many in all meant addition. But in subtraction, when we see the words how many and more, we always know we're going to be subtracting. So we're going to write that down. How many more? That question. Underline more. Also the word decrease. That means to get smaller. Decrease means to get smaller. So decrease means we're also going to be subtracting. Less than. That's a big one. Less than. Take away. Yes, we always are going to use take away. Because in subtraction, we're breaking things apart. We're taking them away. Okay. Minus. We already have minus right here. We don't need to write it again. This next one is huge. Difference. whenever you see the word difference, you are always going to be subtracting. Difference. Left. Okay? How many are left? You're always going to be subtracting. Remains. That's a big one. So if you see the word remains, you won't see that a lot in second grade though. You will see difference a lot. How many are left? Remains. And then we have ER words. Okay, so if you see larger or fewer or shorter or faster or longer, words that end with ER are going to tell you that you're going to be subtracting. Okay, so I'm going to put ER words. So larger, fewer. I'll write fewer. That's a big one. And then, of course, subtract. We're kind of running out of room. So certainly I hope if you see the word subtract that you would know that you need to subtract. And also how much more. That kind of goes with how many more. But if you see how much more, you're also going to be subtracting. So hit pause if you need to get caught up. Finish writing down our subtraction words. And you'll notice that the only word that is in the middle that they share is equals. That's all. There are a lot of different addition and subtraction words. Okay. Finish that. And then what we're going to do now is we are actually going to cut out our Venn diagram, and we are going to glue that into page 18 of our math journal. So get out your math journal. And turn to page 18. You're going to label page 18 at the bottom of your math journal, and then you're going to cut out your Venn diagram, but you're not going to cut off any of the words. So you're going to cut it out just like this, and you want to make sure that it will fit in your book without a problem. So for example, put in page 18, and mine will fit. I don't have any hanging off or hanging out. So just go ahead and glue that right in. And again, this is page 18 in your math journal. So go ahead and finish that up, and I will see you soon. Bye.